Well, the pond was down about 5-6 inches over the weekend, and decided to fill it up and see where it's leaking. And this right here, you look right there, see that? That's what happens. That must have been what it was doing all weekend. The pump's not really pushing that much, but once it does, it really squirts out of there. Okay, that's the leak. Okay, what the fix was is this white piece had come out of this Furnico fitting here because these weren't tight enough. You can't tighten these with a screwdriver most of the time. You gotta put a little wrench action on there, or you gotta have very strong hands. But as you can hear right now, she's filling up with water again, and the pond's working. So a couple more inches, everything should work out.